This piece of equipment is called beaker tongs. It's designed specifically to pick up beakers. It has a perfect shape to go around the cylinder of the beaker. It's also coated in a plastic rubberized coating to give extra grip when we're picking up that glassware. You always want to use one hand. Notice how my fingers and thumb of the same hand are holding these tongs. With one hand, you're going to move in, go around the beaker. You want to grasp the beaker right underneath the widest part, which is going to be this lip that kind of flares out a little bit. And when I pick it up there, I have very firm control because it can't slide because this widest part, the flange, is resting on the beaker tongs. And this design can pick up any size beaker. It can pick up this large beaker that I have back here very securely. It can pick up this small beaker that's on the hot plate very securely. Remember, when you're using beaker tongs with hot beakers, you want to make sure that the tong doesn't touch the hot plate itself because that plastic coating will melt. So you're going to pick it up under the widest part, and then you're going to have firm control to move that beaker from one place to the other. And always remember, hot glassware looks just like cold glassware. So once a piece of glassware has been heated, we always pick it up with tongs designed specifically for that piece of glassware.